importantly, I want to empower all of America, providers and the public, to be able to advocate for the causes that are most important to them. And to the folks who are in the audience and who are listening, I hope you, I challenge you to think of one thing that you can do to help respond to the opioid epidemic, because we're not going to be able to solve this problem from Washington, D.C. We can certainly provide funding, provide expertise, lower barriers, but at the end of the day, this problem is going to be solved on the community level, on the local level, and it's got to be all hands on deck, everyone, the mother, the father, even the child. I tell my 12 and 11-year-olds, you have a responsibility to educate your classmates about the dangers of opioids and the reason why we need to avoid it. Share the story about your uncle who tried it once and is now in prison because of his addiction. There's a role for every single one of us to play, and if I can help folks be more effective advocates for the causes that they believe in, again, I will have had a successful tenure, and we will help across the board, whether it's opioids or cardiovascular disease or diabetes or asthma or what have you, versus focusing in on one particular disease and then seeing it pop up in other areas.